Hi everyone, I am Rin Fulaan,
I'm John Trillion
and today we will be doing the one-on-one talk.
with that twist.
So let's start. Si naatay box dali ah. So, ang twist na mo is what's in the box challenge me while I answer. Our topic is all about social networking. So, naghamog ma-learn sa social networking while having fun. So, start. Di kami ang nagprepare sa item, but assisted with sharing sa plat with my best friend. We don't have any idea kung sa mo prepare. So, let's find out. So, we'll turn around sa me. And for the first item. Go! So, for the first touch, oops, ano lang. So, mag-answer sa kuna. So, tamo guessing. What is social networking? So, according to Tech Target, the term social networking entails having connection in both real and digital worlds. Today, this term is mainly used to reference online social communications. The internet has made it possible for people to find and connect with others who they may never have met otherwise. So, ang social networking is basically, wala siya o kanang how to communicate other people, how to collaborate with other people. So, sa ato ang item, kagdadrig. What do you think is this? The one lang ta? You want to the second? Correct? Oh my God. 1 point for both of us. Oh.
So,
First touch of ta. So, hindi makita na tira ah. Sige, ikaw. Second question.
for the next topic is types of social networking. So there are two main categories pala of social networking. It is considered online and offline. So online social networks are the ones that we maintain on the internet. So constantly ginagamit nato like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and etc. And when we talk about offline social networking, social networks are maintained in person and happen face to face. So, pasabot kung mag-istorya mo, that is considered as social networking. You are socially engaged together. So, online social networks, these are networks that can be any website or application that lets people communicate with friends, family, and associates. They allow people to set up a profile with their name, pictures, interests, and other information. After setting up a profile, a person can start connecting with people by sending them messages or friend requests. So basically, Facebook pinaka main example niya. And in offline social networks, these are social networks happen in person and usually involve one-on-one interactions rather than large crowd like an online setting. So, face-to-face yun siya.
Sige, 1, 2, 3. Sponge. Check? Check. Easy kayo nga mga item nga naa sa boarding house. Go! Okay, first touch. Alam mo, ano siya? Dangog-dangog yun eh. Sige, for the third question, the third question. So, there are 4 main objectives of social networking according to Tech Target. So, ang upat kabuok is ang sharing, learning, interacting, and marketing. So, di na ako explain isa-isa na kaya understandable naman siya. Kaya, ang sharing, mag-get naman na sa sharing. Learning, makagets. 3, interacting. So, maki-interact ka sa other people, marketing. So, pwede ka sa kwarta. Social networking. Imagine that. So, sige, tagdaon natin in 1, 2, 3. Okra. Sure na ko yun. Yo. First touch. So, hindi mak ni. Mak ni, wala ko dyan din. Sakto na ni. Sakto na. First touch.
So, for the fourth topic is sub-branches of social networking. So there are 5 sub-branches according to Tech Target. Number 1 is social connections. Second is educational. Third is sharing of multimedia. Fourth is news of informational. And 5 is communication. So there is a social connections. There is kanang na-eye connection socially pero through online or offline. Next is educational. Usually, ginagamit nato ni sa tuwan. Kami na karon gagamit ta as students. Gagamit ta og mga mga modules.
Mga online platforms.
Yes, online platforms nga magamit nato through sa atong pang-eskwela. Yes. Sharing of multimedia. So, usually, kita mga Genesis. Hindi naman. Sharing of multimedia. Mag-share ta, mag-share pictures, mga thoughts or mga emotions through social media. Next is news of informational. Usually sa atong panahon, mga panghitabo sa atong palibot o mga news according sa forecast and communication sa communicate nimo sa imong loved ones and other people usually communicate. Ano to?
Nagdagda na ba? Wala pa. Bayad ko. Dalihan ako, may kong halas ba? Pero kung halas.
Yeah, next.
Next.
Okay.
Okay na? Okay, sa to. Saan na to number?
Bye.
Very good to you. History of social networks. So, social networking is just a term for the 21st century. In fact, social networking dates back to 40 years ago when cavemen would draw on the walls of caves, depicting animals in order to communicate and network with other cavemen. So, their way to communicate is through drawing sa cave. So, mo nang pasabot dariya history. So, ang kani nga type sa social networking, again, is ang offline social networking. So, that was the brief history of social networking. Mana, pag nanata sa ni, kahit ang mukhaan ni ba? Larga, pato trigo, Bombay. Kamate. Larga.
Distance. Okay.
Dali rin, hindi mo kagitsik on.
Talking about the advantages and disadvantages of social networking. So, sa advantages, na 3 categories. First is brand awareness. Next is instant reachability and business success. Third. So, brand awareness, bali, ma-aware ka to sa mga brands. Kay, of course, social networking, natong mga ang mga tech na ito is high-tech na siya. Dali na siya ma-reach. And the second is instant reachability. Dali na siya maka-reach throughout the world kasi social networking karon is worldwide na siya. Business access is daghan siya mga opportunities na mahimo through social networking. Next is the disadvantages. Number 1 is rumors and misinformation. So usually kabi ni ka dako nga kuan sa total is kay daghan kayo mga fake news nga mga mabot dili awong sa saktong mga pangitabo. Next is negative reviews and comments. Third is data security and privacy concerns. And the fourth is time-consuming process. So, when we say social networking, daghan gid siya mga pamaagi. So, usually, consume gid sa time.
Lato-lato?
Lato.
Ako hindi na
Lato.
Ay, kayo. Sige. Answering examples of social networking. So, according to TechTarget, lagi na mong source, ano ba? First, nag-provide selected ka box. Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, Tumblr, Twitter, Snapchat. And I know, aware mo na nagpumap na. So, nakata. The big one. 1, 2, 3, start. Crash. Let's go. Hello. Ay, hindi mo yun. Iba na. Ulit sa ason. Tingnan ko yung tabs ito na to. Sige na, huwag mo.
So, next, topic number 8 is controversies and social networking. So, according to TechTarget, nag-provide sila tulong, social media niche. Aware ta. Kaya, mag-adik ka dyan sa social media. Yes. Paghanap. Next is cyberbullying. So, daghan ang mga cases aning karon usually sa mga bata yun. And misinformation. According sa kagaila, fake news, daghan na ginakaroon sa internet.
Evan.
Jumping rope. Ay.
Close sa akin.
Wala na lang.
Ay, salam. Murag nahandok ko.
Anong handok?
What is meant by social networks? Simple question. Social networks are large online communities that allow users to interact and share information. Balik ka, no? Ang purpose ng social network is to allow users para mag-interact and share of information. Simple as that. So, let's guess kung ano sa nga item. Nakamutage? Kaya nga nakamutage? Nipotape.
There's that.
There's that.
What is the primary way that social networks work? So, social media networks could also be called social psychology networks because they are built on human behavior psychology, which is the key to understanding how it works. So, kung saan kumaagi sa tao, ito social network, social network kay as per se, tao na po na rin.
Tagtag na ba? Moto ko. Makaon. 1, 2, 3.
Magkaon siya kung lutuon.
Lutuon. Sali na kayo na yung kagay sa dyan. Sabi yung instinct, ba't sa anak mo?
Round of the
Mango. Lutuon ganun na.
So, part is to segment, which is a game guessing.
So,
with a twist of truth and dare.
truth or dare. Like that the difference. Then ka there. So, basically, sa online doon. Mamali ka o answer. So, kailangan ka mabunot dali Start!
So, truth or dare.
It's up to you kung unsa imo ha pilion kung truth ka or dare ka. Go. Google. Correct ba? Bell? Kung tingog ang bell?
Truth, Rocky.
Truth ka. Okay, ikaw na.
May truth ano?
Not attracted.
Are you attracted? Are you attracted to the same gender?
Ay, ala! Dali na itong mailan, guys, kung unsa ba yun.
Kung straight ba yun?
Si
First straight mo
John Red. Sa mga wakailan ni John Red, karon nakailan mo.
Wala. Ever since wala yun.
Wala ka mata. Kung meron tayo. So, straight siya, guys.
Straight.
Confirm.
Straight.
Straight siya po. Sa taon na.
So magamit yun dito nan. Mag-dare gid.
Kinahanglan mo there, kita.
Okay. Mawag mo ito.
Do you have a special someone or anyone who currently makes your heart happy? Panghod. That's right. Sila ako motivation. Chaos.
Hey.
Pinterest. No one got the correct answer.
Mahurog yun yung truth and dare dare ka rin.
So, maka-truth
Yun,
there
like,
it
Tumblr?
does. Answer. Ang correct answer is
Alam ba ba?
or quote. Specific kayo.
Isa ba na?
Quote.
Huwag
There. Ano ko siguro ito ko sa inyo? Kasi na.
Have you ever fallen in love with a friend?
Ay,
So, to answer the question, yes. Pero, wala na yung further explanation.
pero, friend yan mo. Ala.
Huwag lang.
Ang bata.
Layo na siya. Layo na yun kaya.
Halo siya sa Mars.
Sa Pluto. Truth or dare?
There ta parang. Dito ka dili tani kita. Say a pick-up line. Pick-up line. Hello, ako na rin di.
Kakita na rin.
Sige. Chandre, kape ka ba?
Ano siya ito?
Kasi ang lakas doon tama mo. Ate, go. P.
Very proud.
Perfect.
Your biggest fear?
Na, sige, nagdo ka ni Chandre. Kung dad mo ka ni Chandre.
Mama.
Yung mama. Kay,
Fear of being left behind. Mabiyaan.
biyat ka yan.
Ulit. Mabiyaan. Sa kinsa ba sa mabiyaan?
Mabiyaan ka sa panahon.
Mabiyaan lang po. Kaysa. Basta person nga ito na special.
Ah. So, na-ay traumatic experience sila si Chandre.
Sobrang naman ng trauma.
The question here is, what is something people do that you hate? Kanang mag-istorya pa lang sila, layo pa lang, dahil nauna na ako tayo. Nagilipak ko nila. Kana. First,
Overthinker guys. Overthinker.
Overthinker. Dahil nanday ko. B. So, uy, for the first time, try my answer. Natapod ang mga person.
Ay, huwag yung ikaw na po. Mader na lang ko.
There na si John Rep.
Message someone important to you. Saying that you hate them. Karoon yun.
Okay na, screenshot na lang niya, guys.
Screenshot na tapos i-send lang po.
What is something you do that you think is unusual? Maligo tagagabi, unusual ba na? Simple question. 1, 2, 3. B.
Wait. Yes.
So, finally,
Lang yan.
alibig na na. Mamit na. A ako A ka D.
Bago ah.
So,
What?
go.
Ako na ako from. Ay, kami.
Wait.
Why do you sometimes miss or arrive late in the
Uy!
Hi, ma'am.
Nga malate man si John Ray. Or mo absent.
Hi, ma'am.
Ma'am, birthday natin.
Ma'am. Bubi mo kamata. 7:30 mo kadaglasin. So, yeah, medyo layo-layo ko ng mga
Taga-asa din si John Ray.
doman. So, sa, ano ba?
D. Google.
Google.
That concludes our chikahan with Anne and
Genre.
Thank you for watching, guys.